Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the division and multiplication facts. For an example, 3 fours are 12. 3 fours is equal to 12. How do we write the division fact here? Look into that. Division is the opposite of multiplication. So how do we, from this multiplication fact, how do we write the division fact? That we are doing now. That is 3 fours are 12. That means there are two facts will come this, because 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Then 4 into 3 also 12. That is the commutative property of multiplication that we learned in the lessons. So, multiplication lesson. So, now 3 into 4 is equal to 12 and 4 into 3 is equal to 12. From this we are writing like this. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. From this we are writing 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Those two facts we are getting. 3 fours are 12, 4 threes are 12. So, when a multiplication fact given to you, you should write both the division facts from that. For example, 5 6 are 30. How do we write the division facts? That is 30 divided by 6 is equal to 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Then if 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Understood? From the multiplication fact, we can write two division facts. Another example. 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. How do we write the division facts? That is 18 divided by 3 is equal to what? 6. 3 here came, so write 6 as quotient. Then 18 divided by 6, the other number will come, that is 3. This way we can write the division facts. Another example. 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. How do we write the division facts? It is 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. So these are called the division facts. So division is the opposite of multiplication. Okay. When a division fact will give you, how do we write the multiplication fact? Okay. For example, 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. How do we write the multiplication fact? Two times we can write now. Two types. Which are they? 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Or 4 into 8 is equal to 32. So these are the multiplication facts. Another question. 24 by 4 is equal to 6. So how do we write the multiplication facts? 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 6 into 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Okay. Another example. 35 by 7 is equal to 5. How do we write the multiplication facts? 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Or 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So, these are the division facts and the multiplication facts. Okay. The next example. Next we are going to study about division without remainder. How do we find out the quotient? By division without remainder. Look into that. So now we are going to learn about division without remainder. Division without remainder. dividing a single digit number by a single digit number. Dividing a single digit number by a single digit number. For example, 8 divided by 2. This is a long division we are doing. That is 8 divided by 2. You should recite the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. You should multiply both these and write here. Then subtract. So remainder is here. This number is called remainder. Remainder here we got after subtraction. We got 0. So what here we have done? 2. Reciting the table of 2. In the table 8 came 4 times. 2 fours. 4 you should write here. 2 fours are 8. 8 right below this and subtract. So we got 0 as remainder. So this is called remainder. So the answer is what? Quotient is what? 4. Here the dividend is 8. Divisor is 2. Quotient is 4. And remainder is 0. If 2-digit numbers are came in this way, then what you will do? 27 by 3. 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3. Should recite the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. 9 right there, 27 after multiply right here, then subtract. 0 got the remainder. So no remainder is here. Okay. So the answer is quotient is what? 9. Divisor is 3. Dividend is 27. Okay. So we want to find out the quotient through division. Then one number came, that is 84. 84 divide 84 by 4. So this method is called a long division method. Long division method. So 84 we are writing here. 4 in the left. Divisor here, dividend is here. This type of division is called long division. So in this division, you should take first tens place. We should start with the tens place. What is the digit here? 8. So fourth table you should recite. 4 twos are 8. After multiplying, you write below this and subtract. 8 minus 8, 0. Then that's over. Then write the ones place here. 4. In 4, 4 how many times? 1 time. That is 4 ones are 4. Again subtract, 0 got. So the answer is what? Quotient is 21. Another example. So this we are doing now. Now we are doing the long division. So another example. 96 by 8. Division is a process of subtraction, no? Repeated subtraction. So when we are taking the number, the exact number not came in that multiplication table, then we should recite the number just below that number. Now we should recite this table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So 16 is greater than 9. So 8 twos are we can't take. So only we are taking 1 time. 8 ones are 8. Subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now we are writing this 6 along with this 1. That is 60. Now the number is 60. You should recite the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So the remainder is what here? 0. So our answer is 12. Okay. Another example. 2. 6 we are taking. 6 divided by 2. That's 2 table recite. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. Subtract and write 0. 8 right here. 2 table 8 came as 2 fours are 8. Subtract is 0. So our answer is 34. This is quotient, this is divisor, and this is dividend, and this is the remainder. Okay. Today that much, children. Thank you.
Today, Annie's mother is going to teach Annie and her friends the division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us join them. Children, there are 5 steps to simple division. Let us see these steps while finding the quotient for 97 divided by 2. Step 1 is to compare the digits. We compare the leftmost digit of the dividend with the divisor. Here, the leftmost digit is the digit in the tens place, that is 9. 9 is greater than 2, and therefore we can divide 9 by 2. So, step 2 is doing the division. Here, as the divisor is 2, we use the table of 2's to find a product which is equal to or less than and nearest to the digit of the dividend, that is 9. So, the nearest product is 8. Hence, we write 4 above 9. Step 3 is to multiply 4 by 2. As we know, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. We write the number 8 in the tens column under 9. Step 4 is to subtract 8 from 9, which is equal to 1. We write this 1 in the tens column. Now, step 5 is to bring down the next digit, that is 7. After bringing down the digit, we repeat steps 1 to 5 again till there are no more digits to bring down. So, here we again compare 17 and 2. Here, 17 is greater than 2. So, we can divide 17 by 2. Here, we use the table of 2's such that the product is less than or equal to and nearest to 17. The nearest product is 16. So, we write 8 above the 7. As we know, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Write the number 16 under 17. Next, subtract 16 from 17, which is equal to 1. Write 1 in the ones column. Now, there are no more digits to bring down. We have finished our division. The remainder here is 1. Did you know, kids? We can also check our calculation. All we have to do is use the following relation. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. That is 48 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 96 plus 1 is equal to 97. Isn't that interesting? the answer we get is the dividend itself. That is 97. What is 75 divided by 5? Children, here also you will have to follow the same 5 steps process explained in the previous example. We start with comparing the digit in the tens place, that is 7 with 5. Yes, 7 is greater than 5, and therefore we can divide 7 by 5. Here we use the table of 5 such that the product is equal to or less than and nearest to 7. So, the nearest product is 5. Hence, we write 1 above the 7. As we know, 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Write the number 5 in the tens column under 7. Subtract 5 from 7. The remainder 2 is written in the tens column. Now bring down the next digit, that is 5, and write it beside 2. What do we do next? Back to comparison. 25 is greater than 5, so we can divide 25 by 5. Now, find the nearest product to 25. How many times can 5 go into 25? We write 5 above the 5, since we know 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25, and the number 25 under 25. Finally, subtract 25 from 25, which equals 0, which is the remainder. Write 0 in the ones column. It is time to check our calculation. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So, 15 into 5 plus 0 is equal to 75 plus 0, which is equal to 75, the dividend. This proves that we have solved the question correctly. Wasn't it great fun learning division at Annie's home?